Welcome to this presentation of the SB-ITM system, a hybrid training system combining human intelligence and automation. The objective is to improve opportunity detection, trade execution, and risk management. Let's discover how this process works. Trading requires analyzing a large number of opportunities. The analysis scope can be very broad. Setup identification quickly becomes time-consuming. Some opportunities may be missed, and decision-making can become emotional. This is one of the main challenges in trading. The SB-ITM system is based on a hybrid approach. Automation handles critical tasks, while the trader keeps strategic control. The scan bot detects opportunities. The trader analyzes and validates setups. The entry bot executes positions, and the risk bot automatically manages risk. Together, these elements form a structured and coherent system. The scan bot automatically analyzes the market to identify potential opportunities. It applies structured technical filtering to select the most relevant candidates. The trader can therefore focus only on the best opportunities. The trader remains at the center of the system. They analyze the proposed opportunities, validate setups, and decide on entry timing. Human intelligence keeps strategic control while benefiting from automation. Once opportunities are validated, the entry bot executes orders in a disciplined and structured manner. The risk bot then ensures automatic risk management. It protects positions, provides automatic monitoring, and controls risk. This approach improves discipline and reduces emotional impact. The SB-ITM system provides several key benefits. It enables full execution automation while integrating rigorous risk management. This approach promotes disciplined trading, reduces emotional impact, and provides significant time savings. Installation is simple and fast. The solution is fully compatible with interactive brokers, as well as Windows 11 and Windows Server 2022 and 2025 environments. Professional support is also available, with multilingual assistance in English, French, German, and Italian. The SB-ITM system combines human intelligence and automation. The scan bot detects opportunities. The trader validates setups. The entry bot executes positions. The risk bot automatically manages risk. A structured, disciplined, and scalable system. More information in the description. Thank you for watching this presentation. Discover the next videos to explore each component of the SB-ITM system in detail.